Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here on News 5 at noon. I'm Preston Ayers. Testimony resuming this morning in the trial of Megan Boswell as the judge granted the defense request to play a video of Megan talking with investigators. That video shows Boswell admitting on that video that she knew that her daughter Evelyn had been dead the entire time and she may have rolled over onto her while she was sleeping. That she gave the body to her boyfriend. News 5's Kristen Quon has been following this case very closely, just stepped out of the courtroom with the latest of what we've seen happen there. Kristen, some very informative testimony on the stand this morning. What have we seen?
Yeah, good afternoon, Preston. We've heard from a total of 4 witnesses today. Special agent with the TBI, Brian Fraley, Tommy Boswell, Megan's father and Evelyn's grandfather, Austin Feller, a man who was charged with cleaning a trailer that Megan lived in at the time, and then also James Lewis. He works with the Department of Children's Services. But we're going to start from the beginning of the day. You mentioned that video that the defense and the defense wanting to show that video to the jury. We did see a clip of that video today. It showed an interview with Agent Fraley with the TBI and Detective Licklider with the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office. They were questioning Megan back in February of 2020 about where her baby was. In the video, Megan says she doesn't know where Evelyn's body is. She tells detectives that someone rolled on top of her in the middle of the night and that she died, and that she wrapped her in a blanket and gave her to her boyfriend, Hunter Wood, but that she wasn't sure where he took her. She also claims to detectives that in the video she was so scared that she didn't want to call 911.
Why couldn't you call someone?
Because he said we were both going to go to jail if he didn't care.
For her just rolling over, or you rolling over on him, or on her?
I don't think I rolled over on her. I don't know if he did an accident or what. Like I said, I slept in there like her whole life before that. With her up against me right next to me, I never rolled over on her.
We need to bring her home, we need that peace. Mom needs that peace. Everybody needs that peace. We need that peace. Help us bring her home. You're the only one that knows.
I told you all the only places I know he could have went.
Where? Name it.
My dad's in his house.
Now, like we mentioned, Tommy Boswell, Megan's father, also testifying today. He talked about how he hadn't seen Evelyn since Thanksgiving of 2019, that Megan had told him that Evelyn was with the child's biological father, but that he hadn't seen him since Thanksgiving. And then finally in February, he gave her an ultimatum. He said, show me where Evelyn is or I'm going to call authorities. And of course, that's when authorities were called back in 2020. But I'll have more from Tommy Boswell coming up on News 5 at noon. For now, reporting live in Sullivan County, Kristen Quon, News 5, WCYB.
Thanks, Kristen. And she will join us again in our second half hour here in this show with more on Tommy Boswell's testimony. Of course, you can watch this trial streaming live on our digital platforms at WCYB.com and all of our social media pages and our YouTube channel as well. And of course, Kristen will have a complete report coming up today at 5 as well, covering the area that trial gavel to gavel.